tariiqii camalaan ku soo taraaraxnay dalkeenna waa ka soo tagnay diiraaya ciilaan aragnay waa tacbaanoone taariiqi dheeraan marnay sidii tariiqii camalaan ku soo taraaraxnay dalkeenna waa ka soo tagnay.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
My name is Ayan Roble and I've been sent here by the city.
Yeah, I could see that. We got your placement form. Just sign this here, please. You'll be in room 48. And before you leave, hang on. Here are the rules. You guys take care of your own room. There's no room service by the chambermaids because you're not regular client. Okay? And I don't want any trouble. Keep the kids under control. Room 48, to your left. Follow the sidewalk and around the corner.
Is this place safe?
A lot safer than where you've been. Let's go.
Hi there. Is your mom home? Thanks. Great music.
Makes you wonder sometimes. The people that are born here in Canada, like, what makes them end up in a place like this? They have so many opportunities, eh? School, it's not a war happening here.
They're not all bad, you know.
I didn't say they're all bad. I'm just saying there are a lot of strange characters in this motel. They offer you things, don't take anything from them. Don't go in their room, just be polite, say no thank you. You can talk to them out here, but that's it. Okay? I'm gonna get Layla to come in. I'm going to the store. Make sure she doesn't come out of the room. Okay?
Yeah.
Layla! Layla, come. Come on in, I have to go.
I'm playing a game.
You can play later. We're friends now. Yeah, come on, you can play another time. Let's go.
Fuck off.
Excuse me? Mahatari. Say what you just said again. Namanada go to the fuck off. Maranda go to the fuck off. You said fuck off to me? Namanada go to the fuck off. Sanaya.
You see that? You see that happen?
Well, that's not too bad.
That's not too bad. You've seen that, I'm sure.
Yeah, well, I've seen a lot worse.
Aniga iska bye. Maanta noloshaydii maanta way iska dhamaatay. Aniga ilmahayga yaraa igu yidhi fuck you. Aniga ii dhamaatay maanta. Noloshaydii way iska dhamaatay. Ana iska bye. Iska balanbalay.
I'm sorry, Hoya.
Do you know that it's forbidden? It's absolutely forbidden to talk to your mother that way.
Well, all the kids were saying it outside.
You're not all the kids. You're my daughter.
Look who it is. How's it going?
It's good.
So what's up? You always hang out here in the phone booth?
No, just trying to make a call to my friend. We don't have phones in the motel.
No phones in the motel, eh?
It kind of sucks.
Yeah? I like your smile. You know, I got a cell phone that you could always ask me. My name's Rudy.
Nasra.
Nasra?
Yeah.
That's a nice name.
Thank you.
Look, if you need a ride, I'm driving. You guys can come ride with me if you want.
Gloria, do you want to get a ride?
So what are you doing at the motel anyways? You on vacation or something?
No, no. My mom had some problems with the rent, but we're looking for a place.
Yeah, I know how that is. Actually, I've been through something similar like that. So you walked all the way here?
Yeah, just across the bridge.
A girl like you shouldn't be walking.
Well, what else am I supposed to do?
Well, you know I have a car now, and you know me now. So anytime you see me around, you just call me for a ride. I'll give you a ride.
Excuse me, Mr. Cook.
Ayana,
Can I talk to you, please?
you know, I'm just running out the door. The office is about to close in 3 minutes.
It's an emergency. It's urgent. Please, Mr. Cook. I really need to speak to you about my housing situation.
Listen, there's nothing that I found. I saw something for $950, but it's out of your price range. I'll see what I can do tomorrow. I'll try to see if there's a way
I
that...
need your help to get out of that motel and get into some safe place with my children. I am about to lose my children. There are things happening in that motel that are going to affect my children for life. Do you understand, Mr. Cook?
I do understand, but we've talked about this before. There's a huge waiting list, and I'm really trying the best I can.
I have lost half of my family in my country. I've lost my country. I've come from war. I've been trying to establish myself in this country since the day I got here. The only things left in my life are those children. And if I don't get out of there, I'm going to lose them.
Wanna lama hurani, agar lihi wa